This boy was taking the world's toughest exam, one only geniuses could pass. The exam began as soon as the teacher took a bite of an apple. With his sharp mind, the boy quickly wrote down all the answers. By the time the teacher finished the apple, the exam time was over. The teacher quickly checked all the papers and called out the name of the student who had passed the exam. All the students were shocked because only one student had passed the exam. All the students from around the world who had passed the exam advanced to the next round. But then, Tina's pencil fell into the gutter. Her friend didn't stop to help. Then, Riyadh stopped to help her. With just 1 minute left before the next exam, Riyadh broke his pencil and gave it to Tina in half. Tina was overjoyed and promised the boy that she would definitely help him someday. The second exam began, and this time the questions were much more difficult. The students panicked. One boy, seeing such a difficult question, runs out of the exam hall. Even Riyadh is confused by the question paper. But Tina writes down all the answers and, as she gets up, throws Riyadh a small piece of paper with all the answers written on it. Tina was repaying Riyadh for his help. But Riyadh throws the slip away. He carefully examines the question paper. Then he discovers a secret. Every answer was hidden in the next question. This exam was actually a test of concentration and understanding. When the teacher announces the results, this genius boy passes again. Finally, only 5 students advanced to the third round. This time, there were no questions. This time, they had to cross the entire room without stepping on a black or white square. A girl says, "That's impossible." Hearing this, the teacher immediately fails her. Now it's another girl's turn. She takes out a rope, ties it to the door handle on the other side of the room, and carefully walks across the room. Next was a fast and agile boy. He crosses the room with ease, jumping like Spider-Man. Next was the boy wearing glasses. According to the rules, he couldn't step on the floor. So he crawled across the room on his knees and elbows. Finally, it was the genius boy's turn. He thinks for a moment and then walks straight across the room with ease. Everyone was surprised, wondering how Riyadh had passed. Then Riyadh explains that the length of the box is greater than its width. This means that these boxes were rectangles, not squares. The question stated that one could not step on squares, but could step on rectangles.